Okay, water heater installation in Pacific Beach. So it's gonna be a lot of walking. Got some stairs in our way, gotta go all the way through the condo to get to the balcony that's really super small and tight. So yeah, stay with me on my journey. There we go. Super dark out here. Just draining it now. That will break everything loose. See that? This is being held together. So we got water that will not stop. So we gotta figure out how to shut that off. I don't really want to touch this crusty valve. He's got the main line shut off down in the garage, but it still keeps coming. Okay, got it in just now. Just gotta get everything connected. Sweeping turn, these are the worst. Completely the worst going. They pinch. They pinch it. They pinch and they don't unpinch. So you kink these things. would have replaced them, but they're you can see they're sweated on, and I don't want to get anywhere near this valve, so I just put new seals in here, like hose seals. I'm hoping that will do it. Oh, perfect. Yeah, no, this shit's about there. We're going to turn the water on. Hopefully we get no leaks from these crappy copper supply lines. So it's on right now.
Just take a minute to do this thing.
Yeah, it'll take 45 minutes, or maybe an hour to get hot. So I'm going to turn it on now. That went pretty good. Right, I appreciate you watching the video. Consider subscribing to my channel. That was just installation of a used Bradford White 50-gallon water heater. The stairs just killed me. Wasn't able to get that. It was really dark and difficult to film at that location. So I just tried to get shots that I could. And anyway, appreciate you watching the video. Hopefully you made it all the way to the end, and have a great day.